if a woman cannot become pregnant, she has an issue. She has a medical condition which prevents her from getting pregnant, but she wants a child. With modern science and technology, there is a way in which they have the egg, they fertilize the egg, and then they implant this egg into another woman. She is the one who becomes pregnant, she carries the child, and she gives birth to the child. So basically, they're renting her body. Another woman owns the egg, but this egg is placed in the body of a second female, and she's the one who actually goes through the pregnancy. Who's the mother? The owner of the egg is the mother, or the mother who carried the child? Now we have a difference of opinion with respect to our ulama. Some scholars, they say it's actually the mother who carries the baby, the one who went through the pregnancy. She's the real mother. And their proof is this ayah. I believe it's in Surah Al-Talaq. In ummahatuhum illa allai waladnahum. The verse is very clear that their mothers are who? Those who gave birth to them. So who's the one who's giving birth? The surrogate mother. Therefore, she's the real mother. However, the majority of our scholars today disagree with this opinion. They say no. The owner of the egg is actually the mother. Why? Because that mother who's carrying the child and going through the pregnancy, she's just carrying it. They're just using her body to have the baby grow. But the origin of the baby, where does it come from? From the owner of the egg. The genes of the baby, where do they come from? The chromosomes of the baby, where does it come from? From the real mother, meaning the owner of the egg. She's the one who passes down the genes, not the one who's carrying the baby. Yes, the pregnancy does have an effect. Obviously, this baby which grew in the womb of this mother will be affected by this mother. However, the real genes and the chromosomes, they come from the owner of the egg. So the majority of the ulama today would say that it's the owner of the egg who's the real mother, even though some of the scholars consider the mother who's giving birth to be the real mother.